Picture your awareness as a bright, weightless spotlight that you can set anywhere. Most of the time, it sits inside your head, lighting up the world through your eyes, yet nothing actually ties it there. By learning to guide that light beyond the edge of the body, even for a moment, you gain fresh perspective, soften hidden tensions, and sometimes spark surprising abilities. The exercises that follow build those skills step by gentle step. First, accept that exteriorization does not mean abandoning the body. It means adding a second point of view. Think of a camera on a tripod beside you. Your familiar perspective keeps running the show, but you now have an extra lens to explore from. Because both viewpoints belong to the same mind, you can shift between them or use them at once. Begin with a simple practice. Recall a distant mountain or large hillside you know and feel easy about. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and imagine floating a few hundred feet above its peak. With each slow breath, drift forward so the imagined tip of your nose enters the rock, then ease back out to the open air. Repeat without strain. At first, everything is make-believe. Stay patient. After a minute or two, vague impressions often emerge. Subtle light, the sense of vast mass beneath you, perhaps a cool hush. Whenever anything feels even a little real, pause to appreciate the moment. Then continue until moving in and out is as casual as flexing a hand. To prevent the sudden jolt some people feel when awareness snaps back to the body, add a stabilizer. While hovering above the mountain, visualize a thin, clear sheet of energy in front of you. Press it partway into the stone and leave it there, like a gentle anchor. Now open your eyes and notice the room from your ordinary viewpoint. Close them again and return to the mountain. Shift back and forth until the transition feels smooth. Then try holding both views simultaneously. Volume on the body turned slightly down. Volume on the mountain turned up. If the body's sensations drown the mountain, lighten your focus on the body until balance returns. Once you can hold that second viewpoint steady, set it in motion. Glide over familiar countryside or city blocks at walking speed. Let your attention settle on pleasant details, a line of trees, sunlight on rooftops, a winding river. Whether the images are crisp or hazy does not matter. The practice is to stay relaxed and curious as you move through space. Next, explore the idea that reality is partly a shared agreement. Close your eyes and create a private space. Imagine a single, bright point suspended in a black void. Stretch it into a long line, then spread the line into a vast sheet, and finally unfold the sheet into a giant cube of pure, empty room. Inside that cube, sculpt a mountain. Play with its height, color, and textures until it feels firmly yours. Perform the same in and out exercise on this imagined peak. When that viewpoint is secure, keep it running and establish another above a real-world mountain. Glide attention back and forth, noticing differences between the two landscapes. Persist until the shift feels easy and perhaps even charming. Exteriorized awareness can also soothe the body. Anchor a viewpoint several yards above your roof or above your resting place if you're outdoors, holding enough distance to avoid merging with the physical senses. Visualize the body as semi-transparent. Look for foggy, heavy, or dark patches inside or around it. Breathe softly and let a pale, luminous mist flow from your external viewpoint into those areas, brightening them bit by bit. Continue until the body feels lighter, warmer, or simply more at ease. Results vary, but many people report a noticeable drop in tension or discomfort. Move at a pace that feels kind. If dizziness, tightness, or anxiety arise, open your eyes, drink water, walk around, and come back another day. 10 or 15 minutes is enough for early sessions. Gains are cumulative. Nothing is lost by pausing. These drills remind you that attention is fluid and you steer it. By learning to hold 2 or more viewpoints, exploring both shared and private spaces, and offering gentle energy to the body, you rediscover a freedom most of us forget after childhood. Take your time. Welcome every small success, and let expanded awareness reshape what you consider possible, inside and out.